for the triumphs and honors we have achieved. Eleanor Roosevelt once said, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." And now, as we celebrate this milestone in our young life, let us celebrate this moment with grateful hearts. Art for our country that will help sustain and make the difference. In supposition, our school years help us build our characters. Each one of us possesses the ability to achieve success in the future. We must try our best and never settle for anything else. And we must not forget to give thanks to God and pray for our guidance. Congratulations to all graduates, and I hope all of us will be successful in the near future. My thanks and fondest best wishes go with each one of us. Thank you and congratulations. Please raise your right hand and follow after me. I pledge to uphold the name of my alma mater, preserve her dignity, and promote her noble objectives. I pledge that I will do the best of my ability to contribute for the welfare and upliftment of my school. I pledge that I will serve for my country, my fellow men, and above all our Lord Almighty. So help me God.
Everything has a beginning and an end. This time then of the art society has come. You have come to see the portals of the Via Anton, the Dalandalan National High School, which has been your success. Don't forget the memories we had in this school. Now, we are the graduates for the singing of the graduation song.
Tapos na.
Your one step to the ladder is not possible if not for Him. Remember, in passing the differential veils in life, always think of the attendant responsibilities that go with your path.
It is one which honors are preserved and not destroyed. Dreams are pacified and not narrowed. Lives are fulfilled and not laid to waste. And truth is ever nurtured and sustained. Receive our salutations and again a hearty congratulations to all. Good morning and God bless.
What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been.
Richie Quadra, ang pangalan niya. Mahal nating konsehal dito sa Valenzuela. Pagtulong sa kapwa, yan ang pakay niya. Paglilingkod sa bayan, siya'y tunay nga. Huwag kang malulungkot at huwag mahihiya. Kung may kailangan ka, sa kaniya'y lumapit ka. Maaasahan mo, tulong mula sa puso. Mahal nating konsehal Richie Quadra. Mahirap ka man o mayaman, pagtingin niya sa ating pantay-pantay. Madaling lapitan, sadyain mo lamang konsehal Richie Quadra sa lungsod ng Valenzuela. Tunay natin siyang kapamilya. Tayo na mga kapamilya, magmahalan tayo't magkaisa. Magkakagalit, magkasunduran, sila-silang pamilya'y magpupunan. Igalang ang bawat isa, sa Diyos ay sumamba. Yan ang tanging pangarap ni Konsehal Richie Quadra, kapayapaan sa lungsod na Valenzuela.